Where are you? I miss you so much. Lily! Lily! What is wrong with you? Look at me! Sophia, it is you. I am so tired. I just want to sleep. My heart hurts so much. I miss Elara terribly. No! You cannot sleep! And you cannot be sad anymore. Listen to me, Lily. Why? If you are sad, you will trigger the ice magic. It is very dangerous. Do not make Elara's sacrifice useless. Elara's sacrifice? What do you mean? What happened to her? That night, the dark curse went into your body. Elara used all her life energy to destroy it. She saved you, Lily. She turned into light and disappeared. So, Elara is inside my body now? Yes, she is a part of your heart now. So please, stop being sad. Maybe Elara is still alive. Really? I am so happy. Do not worry, Lily. I am here. I will protect you. We will save Elara. I promise.
Warning. High energy source detected. Location, Oakwood Academy. Level 2, room 214.
What is that? Scan the energy type now!
Analysis complete. It is the signature of Elara's ice magic.
Elara's magic? But the snow elf is gone. How is this possible?
Alert. The energy source is dropping fast. Status, disappeared.
No, it did not disappear. Someone is using it. Nobody is here, but my radar never lies. The energy disappeared just 2 minutes ago. Where are they? Ice? It is her magic. The snow elf's power is still here. You cannot run from me, Elara. V-Corp will find you soon.
Sophia, where are we going? This place looks very strange. We need answers, Lily. My father's books cannot help us. But the woman here, she knows things from the spirit world. A mudang? Is she a witch?
New York is so busy today, but my shop is so empty. Look at this sign. Customers today, 0. A big fat 0.
Where is everyone? Even the ghosts are not visiting me today. Do they have internet in the spirit world now? Are they doing online tarot? I have to pay rent next week. This is just not fair at all. She is a spiritual medium. She can read the cards and talk to souls. Trust me, she can tell us how to save Elara. Come on. Customers? Yes! Perfect! Finally, I have some money for rent!
Welcome, young travelers. I knew you were coming. The magical spirits of New York told me.
Wow, really? You can talk to spirits? She is a real mudang, Lily. She knows everything. Please, madam, help us.
Do not fear, little ones. Sit down, please. Let's be serious now. Give me your hands, little girl.
Madam, what do you see?
I don't need the cards to see your past.
Oh.
A few hours ago, you were floating in a giant ice bubble. You were frozen by your own sadness.
You really know everything. That is exactly what happened at school.
Look here. The cards never lie. Let's look at your past first. Card number 1, the Hermit. This card shows a hidden power. Little girl, you have a giant magic inside your heart. It is the ice energy from Elara. She gave it to save you.
Elara's energy? But why did it explode at school today?
Because you always stay in the dark, cold and alone. Your deep sadness woke up the ice energy, but you cannot control it yet. That is why your magic became dangerous at school. Card number 2, the 3 of Swords. This is your dangerous present. Elara's magic is too strong for a human body. It is locking your heart. The frost is eating your memories. If the ice covers your whole heart, the light will go out. You will forget Elara, and she will fade away into nothing, forever.
No, I can't forget her. I can still remember her smile, but it's fading. It's getting dark. Lily, stay with me. Don't look into the dark. Madam Jenny, please. Look at the last card. How do we break these ice swords? How do we keep the light alive?
Thank the spirits! It's the sun! Look! It's the best card in the deck! Lily, you are so lucky! Elara not gone. The frost is melting. The sun is the purest fire. It means your love and your joy can break any curse.
She is really there. I can feel it.
But remember the rule, no more dark thoughts. You must feed Elara's soul with your happiness every single day.
We did it, Lily! We have a way! Thank you, Madam Jenny. You are the best mudang in the world!
Of course I am. But listen carefully, Lily. This process will not be easy. Not easy at all.
Your body will change, and many bad things will happen around you to make you sad. Why? Because Elara must eat your joy to grow and wash away her dark curse.
No matter what happens, you must stay positive. If you lose your hope, the curse wins. Remember that.
Haha, don't worry, madam. I am the happiest girl in the whole world. Being happy is super easy for me. Oh, Lily, you are always like a sun. But madam, when will this process finish? When will Elara come back to me?
It depends on you, little one. It depends entirely on your heart. When Elara is ready to return, you will be the first person to know it.
Ah, what a beautiful morning. Today is a new day. I promise to be the happiest girl in New York. Being happy is so easy. Wait, who is that? Is that a giant teddy bear in my mirror?